Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial today, we are going to solve a problem under conservation of momentum. Let us look at this problem that we have here on the board. A body of mass 12 kilogram traveling at 4 meter per second collide with second body of mass 18 kilogram at rest. Calculate their common velocity of the two bodies after collision. So let us write solution and then write data where I will write all the quantities given to us. A body of mass 12 kilogram traveling at 4 meter per second. A body of mass 12 kilogram and is traveling at 4 meter per second. Collide with second body. Then it collide with another body of mass 18 kilogram at rest. The second body is at rest. Calculate their common velocity of the two balls. So after they collide, they move together. The question asks us to find the common velocity of the two balls after collision. So the first body has a mass of 12 kilogram and is traveling at 4 meter per second. That is, its velocity is 4 meter per second. Collide with second body of mass 18 kilogram. The second body has a mass of 18 kilogram. That is M2, 18 kg. At rest. So a body at rest has 0 meter per second velocity. So U2 equals to 0 meter per second. Calculate their common velocity. That is their velocity after they collide and move together. So they have common velocity there. So we are asked to find that velocity. So that is final velocity. I put question mark. We are going to get it. So we will use this formula: m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equals to final velocity open bracket m1 plus m2, where this m1 is the mass, that 12 kilogram, and this u1 is the velocity of the first body, while m2 is the mass of the second body, u2 is its velocity. Likewise, this m1 and m2 is the mass of the bodies, and this b is the common velocity of the two bodies. So now let us substitute. M1 is 12 multiplied by U1 is 4 plus M2 is 18 multiplied by U is 0 equals to B, what we are going to get. Open bracket M1 is 12 plus M2 is 18. Now let us divide both sides and get and make this be subject. 12 plus 18, 12 plus 18. So this bracket cancel this bracket. We have final velocity equals to 12 multiplied by 4, and this 18 multiplied by 0 is 0. It will go. Then divided by 12 plus 18. Now, if you press it in calculator, 12 multiplied by 4 will give you equals to 48. 12 multiplied by 4. And then 12 plus 18. 12 plus 18 will give you 30. And if you say 48 divided by 30, you will get 1.6 meter per second. So this is the common velocity of the two balls. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like it, and share it with your colleagues. And motivate me in the comment section. Write your comment, please.